Today we got a video from Sergeant Pepper Spray, and the title of the video is Blackout Florida Teen Drives Through Building.
Come on, let's go. Emma. Come on, I know, you gotta get up.
In the early hours of July 25th, 2025, police responded to a major car crash when that sleepy princess nearly destroyed an entire building.
Is it just the one vehicle?
Oh boy.
There was a silver Mustang that was driving really slow, so I just came from downtown, and as I was approaching, there was a silver Mustang kind of crawling.
Should be.
And they circled back and drove by again, so I don't know if they just witnessed it or if they were involved in how she came, because she came through two walls.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Hey, sweetie, do you want me to call anybody for you?
This is my witness. She's not bleeding.
I believe there's a female inside the car.
Yeah, we might want to be careful with this too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, why don't you step out here?
Yeah, I'm going to stand right here, okay?
Does anything hurt at all? No? We're going to get you out of the car, okay?
4043, we're going to be at 615 8th Avenue West so far.
Huh? Yeah.
And for a vehicle is inside of
Come on, grab my hand.
subject area, and is there going to be structural damage? So that's not affect the
Okay. Okay, I got your arm, okay? I just need you to take a step. Okay. Okay, come over here.
She can sit in the back in the car.
Okay, if you don't mind.
Go for
It is the only two here?
Yeah, she's a witness, one car involved.
Okay. Hello. Hey, what's your name?
Emma.
I'm sorry?
Emma.
Mickey. That's your name? Okay. Are you okay? Do you feel hurt anywhere? Okay. We have ambulance here. Do you want to see them? Are you sure? How old are you?
19.
Okay, so we're gonna have them look at you anyway, just to make sure you're okay, alright? You have an ID on you by chance? Driver's license?
In my purse.
Is it in the car? Okay, she's right.
Hi there. What's your name? You need anything else from us, buddy?
Is she declining?
She's declining, yeah.
Hang out the car.
Not a scratch on her.
She doesn't have a scratch on her right now. It's crazy.
Alright, well, that's it. If she's declining, thank you. I'm gonna get her out of your car in a minute. Let me just get your name.
That's fine. Last name's
B-E-S-T?
Yeah.
Birthday?
82.
Your address?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Emma, no. No, that's not even your car. Go sit over here. Go over there. You see that? Go sit.
I'm trying to figure out who's getting in my car.
That's not your car. That's your car. You don't even know what you did tonight, do you? Go take a seat. Go take a seat. Go take a seat. Go take a seat.
I'm standing. Can you figure out who the fuck is
I want you to
in my car?
get her to sit down somewhere.
Hey, have a...
Figure out who's getting in my car.
We're gonna figure it out. I just need you to sit on the wall, and then we'll figure that out.
Okay.
Right there. That's perfect, right there.
Okay. I'm happy you're happy.
No, we just want to make sure, ma'am, we just want to make sure you're okay, alright? That's all it is. You know, you don't have to get upset. I'm grateful that you're okay, alright?
Who the fuck's getting in my car?
Huh?
You.
What happened?
Who the fuck is getting in my car?
Is what in her car?
I'm not sure. Can you say it slowly?
Who the fuck is getting in my car?
The tow company.
More likely, yeah.
Yeah, you can't drive that. The engine's out.
Are you like standing up?
This is the last time you will be seeing your car. It's over with. Okay, it's done. You could kiss that car goodbye.
Right now?
We got to do a couple of things, ma'am, okay? Let us investigate, and then we'll go from there, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to investigate for a DUI.
DUI.
And then, I'm not sure if she's going to refuse or not, but she is already refusing you guys. Okay. So, but once we arrest her for DUI, if it comes to that, then we're going to transport her to the hospital no matter what.
You guys are going to transport?
Yeah, we'll transport her to the hospital once she gets arrested, if it comes to that point.
Okay. All right, so I'm good to clear my unit.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Emma. This is the last time I'm going to ask if you want to take an ambulance ride to the hospital, okay? All right, so I just want to inform you that we have completed our crash investigation and we're moving on to an investigation into drunk driving, okay? This is a criminal investigation at this point. You understand that? Okay. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is ask you how many drinks you've had tonight. You've had 0? Who was drinking the Corona? Oh, there's a Corona there.
There is?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a bottle cap or a whole bottle?
It's a half full bottle.
Nice.
Well, he's
All right, come on, Emma. Stand up. Grab my hand.
All right. So
All right. Hold on. We're going to walk over here. We're going to go under the light at this gas station, and we're going to start field sobriety tests. We're going to use this area here real quick. Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Let's actually move. Let's move over here. There's a little more light.
All right, let's go right over here.
All right. Are you good? You want to do whatever
That's
you want?
fine.
Okay.
So we're going to do a series of tests, okay? We're going to check your eyes. Do you consent to these tests? You do? Okay. All right. All right. Do you see my pen? Do you see my pen right in front of you? Do you see the tip of it right here where my finger is? Okay, this is what I need you to do. I need you to keep your hands by your side. I need you to stare at the tip of this pen, and you're going to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand that? Okay.
Contact them. They want to contact the county.
She's trying really hard though. She failed, but you know, she's trying hard though. Very delayed. Her eyes are delayed. I know they don't even really look for that. They look for like some twitching in your eye and stuff like that.
Okay, that was the first test. The next test is going to be a walk and turn. Okay, you're going to need to walk in a straight line. Do you have anything with your injuries, with your legs, anything that would prevent you from walking in a straight line? Okay, all right. I'm going to have you take a few steps over here. Over here. Over here, Emma. Just right over here, yeah. Well,
All right,
Emma, stop. Face me. On this line. Stop right there, okay? On this line, I want you to put your left foot and then your right foot right in front of it, heel to toe. Can you do that for me, just like I'm doing? Let's start over, because I want you to start on the line, okay? Yeah, right. Left foot on the line. Huh? Right foot, heel to toe. Can you do that for me? Okay. Stay on like that, and don't start until I tell you to start, okay? Try one more time. Heel to toe. Heel to toe.
It's funny because she's trying really
Stand
hard
like
to
that.
do
Don't
it,
move. Don't start until I tell you
but
to
she
start.
just can't.
This is what I'm going to need you to do.
She's so
Keeping your
impaired.
hands by your side, you're going to take a series of steps. You're going to take 9 steps down and 9 steps back. Okay, it's going to look like this. It's going to be heel to toe, and you're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way down to 9. When you get there, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, and then you're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you understand those directions? Okay, you can start.
She's trying really hard.
Tell her. Are you getting it?
Huh?
Are you missed every step?
Every step.
Everything fell backwards on
Yeah.
the second step.
How many steps did you count that way?
That was like, I think that was like 11 steps? That
This was like, yeah.
Yeah.
This one was extra as well. Would you even go to one leg stand at this point?
I would. I can.
I'm concerned she's gonna fall over.
Yeah, that's the thing. So if you feel comfortable doing it, if you want, I can direct her to do it. It's totally up to you.
I can tell her.
Okay, yeah.
Emma, step forward here, please.
If she starts getting squirrely, just say, hey, yeah.
Couple more steps. Couple more steps. Couple more. Okay. The next one is a one-leg stand, okay? Just like you're standing here side by side, stay like this until I tell you to start. When I tell you to start, you're going to raise your right, whichever foot you want. Your left or your right, you're going to raise one foot up about 6 inches, foot flat as if you're stepping on a Coke can, okay? And you're going to count like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and you're going to continue until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that direction? Okay.
This is gonna be bad.
Stay until I tell you to start. Okay. You can begin. You have to count out loud.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
Emma,
she
we're all
can't.
done.
Have you ever done LOC?
Huh?
Have you ever done LOC? I can show you.
LOC? No.
Yeah,
Go
yeah,
ahead.
I'll show you real quick. Just so you know, I mean, it's just training. So, hey, Emma, so what I want you to do, you see the tip of my finger?
They're using her for training day. Ain't this so? Hey, you gonna be the test dummy today. We gonna train him on some new things, get him up to speed with some things. Oh boy. You do not want to be the test dummy, boy. God.
Okay. You see the tip of it? Okay. I want you to follow the tip of the finger and the tip of the finger only. Do you understand that? Okay. So come over here behind me. No, not you. Yep, just stand right there, okay? You're doing good. All right, just go ahead and follow that best you can, okay? There you go.
So, can you try to go to the inspector and let me know the outcome?
See, we know what the is. Yes.
As in, like,
So that means that there's a high amount of presence on the
of what?
depressant. So ETH.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. No problem.
I don't know why they doing all this. You know, they doing all the tests, you know, so that way they could build a good case, you know, for the judge and everything. But all she gonna get is about 2 weeks of probation. What's the big deal?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll call it out.
Okay.
Hey, Emma.
Put your
At
hands
this
behind your back, please.
Emma, at this point,
You're under
at this
arrest.
point, you're under arrest for suspected DUI.
Okay.
You understand that? 318. You show 110.
She gonna get restitution for the wall and 2.5 weeks of probation.
Yeah, smooth swings. What's that?
You're not gonna check me.
We are. You're going to go to the hospital because we care about you and we need to get you checked out because you did a building. That's what you know what I'm saying. We have to do that for you because we.
After 20, like 30 fucking minutes? No.
Yeah, we have to. You know what the onset of pain is?
After 30 fucking minutes?
No, it's not.
matters.
No, it does matter. It does matter. I'm not a medical professional. You're not a medical. We don't know if you might have a broken rib. For all we know. No, it's not. It's not cool. We want to do this for you. We have to do it for you. Okay.
I'm gonna sit her here,
Sure.
or whatever, against my cruiser or something.
Yeah.
While you go and get your car,
I got
rather than walk her all the way over there.
Okay.
All right, come on, Emma.
Yeah, she should be good. It's a pretty little area.
Yeah, she can fit in there.
Yeah. Emma, come on. Just have a seat, okay? It's not a hard seat. It's a nice, soft leather seat, okay? All right.
Oh, great.
We care about you. We want to get you checked out, all right?
Are they heated seats too?
Do you have my purse?
Yeah, I'll go get it. I'll
I
get
have-
your purse.
So I have
You
her
have
ID.
it?
For what?
Her purse? I'll go get her
It's on the
purse.
building.
Yeah, I'll go get it.
As a matter of fact, yeah, let's get that now.
Yep.
Because, are you going to be going to the jail?
Oh man, I wish I could have seen how much time she was getting. That's what I really wanted to. All right, I gotta turn this screen off because that yellow looked crazy. That thing got. Okay, there we go. It's a lot better. Man, I wanted to see how much time she was gonna get. We know she ain't gonna get no time for real, but that's honestly what I really wanted to see, man. But overall, the cops, you know, they did a good job, so you know they get a 5. And yeah, like. Whew. I just want to know how much time she's going to get. That's all I really want to know. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.